Prioritize your ideas, a key to effective writing. Hello everyone. Today we're going to talk about an important topic when it comes to effective writing: prioritizing ideas. Whether you're writing an essay, a short story, or even a book, understanding how to arrange your thoughts and ideas effectively can greatly improve the quality of your work. So, let's jump into it. Before we move into techniques, it's crucial to understand what we mean by prioritizing ideas. During the brainstorming process, you come up with a pool of ideas for your writing. Prioritizing means deciding which ideas are most important or relevant to your work, and determining the order in which they should be presented. Remember, effective writing isn't just about having great ideas. It's about knowing how to organize and present these ideas to your audience. So why is prioritizing ideas so important? Well, it helps you create a clear structure for your writing, making it easier for readers to understand. It also enables you to build your arguments or narratives more effectively, creating a logical flow and reducing confusion. Moreover, it helps ensure that your most powerful ideas are highlighted and given the attention they deserve. Now that we understand the concept and importance of idea prioritization, let's delve into some practical methods. 1. Identify your main idea. The first step in prioritizing is identifying the main idea or the central point of your writing. All other ideas should support or elaborate on this central idea. 2. Rank your ideas. After identifying your main idea, rank your other ideas based on their relevance and impact on this central idea. Ask yourself how much each idea contributes to supporting or explaining your main idea. 3. Group related ideas. Sometimes, ideas may not stand on their own, but together they can form a powerful point. Group such ideas together and treat them as a unit when prioritizing. 4. Use a visual aid. Creating a mind map or a flowchart can help you visualize the relationship between your ideas, making it easier to prioritize them. Remember, the goal here is not to discard less important ideas, but to understand how each idea can be best used to serve your work. Prioritizing your ideas isn't a one-time process. As your work evolves, you might find that some ideas become more relevant or less important. Don't be afraid to revisit your priorities and make changes as necessary. Flexibility is key to creating a piece of writing that is coherent and well-structured. And that wraps up our discussion on prioritizing ideas. Remember, good writing isn't just about great ideas. It's also about how effectively you use these ideas. Prioritizing them is a crucial step in creating a clear, well-structured piece of writing that can hold your reader's attention. Keep practicing, and you'll surely master this skill. Until next time, happy writing!